Just a few words today on the Amazon, deforestation of the Amazon. The Amazon represents about half of the world's natural forest, and deforestation in the Amazon is obviously causing massive problems to our carbon cycle, largely because when you remove all those trees, you reduce the amount of photosynthesis that goes on removing CO2 from the atmosphere. The main reasons for Amazon deforestation are development, conversion of forests to farmlands is a major issue as well. And it has been gradually decreasing over the last few years. But you notice, firstly, I'll start at the top here. You'll see the Landsat image of an area of the Amazon in the year 2000, and then the same image, the same area with the Landsat image in the year 2017. And you can see how dramatic the changes are, with the dark green being forest, and you can see whole regions have been converted from forest to farmland and other uses. Now, this graph here shows the gradual changes in deforestation, increasing dramatically in the 90s and early 2000s. This was the time when the alarm bells were ringing. Then it came back. It came down with controls from the Brazilian government over the late 2000s and early teens. But you notice this gradual increase again in most recent years. Okay, then this is a fall off here this year. Not sure if that's going to hold up, but you can see this gradual increase, which is what is causing those alarm bells to go off again. Because remember, this is deforestation. This is not this is how much land is being removed. So these trees have already been removed. So the fact that this rate is coming down is not signaling a good sign necessarily, because trees are not being replanted. Okay, so this is not, there's already been removal. So this is alarming, this increase here. But the other alarming thing is the number of fires that have occurred. And this graph here shows 2013 through 2019, how the numbers of fires have increased. These fires are both natural and human set to burn forests down for agricultural purposes, to change the forest into farmland. So overall, this is not a good picture. The solution is going to have to be international cooperation with the Brazilian government. Right now, there are some severe political limits on that. The politics are not good for that within the Brazilian government. Not a favorable administration for environmental causes right now. Hopefully, long term, that will improve, because the Amazon, the Amazon is a large part of our carbon cycle, and the Amazon is the home to many species, and deforestation is really bad for local, regional, and global issues. And that's enough for today.